Hey Broadfield, I'm Jake Feynman with BirdDog, and we're here at NAB 2023 New York, and we have so much exciting things to show. So, as everyone knows BirdDog, for all of our PTZ and converters, we're also diving directly into the world of cloud-based solutions. So, with BirdDog Cloud, we're able to do site-to-site streaming of all of our NDI, SRT, and SDI sources. And specifically, most recently, we've jumped into the whole post-production world, where we've partnered with Adobe to work on a brand new plugin, which allows us to stream directly through Premiere and After Effects, right to iOS devices, Apple TVs, web browsers. So we absolutely have a fantastic collaborative post-production editor to producer workflow so that we can lock in those edits faster, get that content created and shipped out anywhere in the world. Thanks for joining me here at NAB 2023.
This is our new model, the BirdDog X120. It is the first wireless NDI camera. This does, unlike the rest of our line, which are full NDI bandwidth, this does HX. That allows us to get Wi-Fi capability. So with a 100-watt battery, you're going to get 7 hours of playback, and you can run this fully wireless. So this is great for like churches. I've had a lot of talks with those. So we can put this behind like the altar, looking out on the crowd, and they can go that fully wirelessly, full PTZ control. It is 20 times optical zoom. It is comparable optically to our 100 line, so P110, P120, for those familiar with that. Full Sony optics. So it is an absolutely phenomenal camera. We're very excited about it, starting at $1,000 right now.